Solomon. Today we're going to learn about jumper cables. First, this car is dead and this car is alive. This is what's happening. That's why we know it's dead. We have to get to the car battery now. There's a release, but I'm going to let my dad help me demonstrate. Here's our battery. Here's our negative, positive. We have to go into the live car. Pull it that way. I pulled it. There we go. Zero battery on the live car, negative and positive. Here are our jumper cables. When these are connected to a live battery, it can be very dangerous, so let your mom and dad help you. We have black and red. This one is negative, this one is positive. You have to match the battery. Black goes with black, red goes with red. We plug the black in the dead car. My dad is gonna connect, so he's gonna do the black one first to the live car, and then he's gonna do the red one second. My dad's doing the black for negative and the red for positive. The last thing we have to do is connect the red for positive. Now that the cars are connected, we have to start the live. Now I'm gonna try to start the car. It's not working right now, so we're gonna let it have a little bit of time. We're gonna try it again. It's not working. Try it again. It works! Now it works. We have to keep the car running. Dad is gonna remove the cables the opposite way. Let your mom or dad do this part for you. Now it's okay to turn off the live car. My dad close up the hood. Let the car be on for at least 20 minutes without turning it off. This is how you use jumper cables. I hope this helps. Bye!